Oh hey, Steven here. So I just got the Tech Air 5 Plasma from Alpinestars. This is one of their latest airbag system, and I am not sponsored in any way to make this quick first look. I bought this with my own money because I want to be safer. Also, I've ordered an extra can of canister so that I can test this inflating. So if you're interested in how this inflates under your jacket, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's do the unboxing first, and then we'll test this out with different types of jacket and different types of fits. Oh, and also, by the way, this is not a full review. This is just kind of like a first look at how this thing fits. Regarding how this thing turns on, how it detects motions, and all the functionalities will go into the full review. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe, like, ring that notification bell, and make sure you watch the end because that pleases the YouTube overlord. Cool? This will be my first airbag system. Previously, I've only just worn jackets of different kinds. Pretty standard looking packaging, I would say. Doesn't look fancy or anything, but here it is. Let's put this on. I think by now, most of you probably already seen the videos coming from all the sponsor reviews about its weight and how it's lightweight and everything. That's what I'm excited about, that I can actually hide this under like a normal jacket. Holy crap, look at this. This is like a dictionary. I'll definitely be going over this. Just the English section, there's a bunch of other languages in here. You have a little USB to USB-C cable. Look at that. Does have a little bit of a chemical-y smell. It's not that strong. I mean, it's pretty okay. Bladder test kit right here. First of all, on the quality, this feels very nice. This feels very comfortable. You do have elastics on the bottom. You do have the elastic on top to help this thing stay on you. It's very back heavy. It looks very light from the front, but as soon as I held it up, I was like, oh crap, this feels really heavy. It's about the weight of a helmet. Just pick up your own helmet, like that's how much it weighs. Oh. If any of you do road cycling, this actually feels like a really aero jacket that someone would be wearing when they go cycling. This feels like one of those jackets. I am 185 pounds and my height is 5'9", and I bought medium. Currently, medium is the only size that's still left on the website. If you're around my size, I think this fits great. I do feel a little bit of compression in my chest, just a little bit, but everything else fits perfectly. I do think that if you are a size M, if you're a medium guy, this will fit perfect. Let me put on some motorcycle jackets. This is my Dainese jacket. This is a size 50, and it is very tight on me. This is my tightest jacket. So the back plate definitely kind of increases the circumference of your entire body. Your chest does feel a little bit more stretched out just because you suddenly have a backpack on your back. Aside from that, my arms and everything, I actually don't feel any kind of restriction in my arms. I do feel in my tightest jacket that my chest is being compressed just a little bit. But then also this is a very new jacket, so I do need to break it in a little bit. So if I do get into that riding position, you can see that hump in the back actually. That's kind of like the back protector and where the air canister is. I would go up one size to a 52 when I'm wearing this jacket. I'm already slightly out of breath now just because of how like tight and compressed everything is. Yeah, I think it's doable, but if you want to be a little bit more comfortable, I would go up one size. I feel like I have to suck in my stomach all the time because my stomach will just pop out. This is not very conforming. Oh yeah, the airbag is just around your chest and your rib cages, so this area right here is just elastic. There's no compression of any sort. I do think the back looks very cool. If you do wear this, you don't need to wear a back protector. And if you do have a back protector in your jacket, you can take it out. Okay, I have another jacket. This is a mesh jacket. It's in the winter, I don't wear it that much. This one's a slightly bigger jacket. feels great. Again, arms, no problem. There's no restriction in the arms. When I'm wearing a bigger jacket, I can still feel the airbag system, but it's not as restrictive as it was before when I'm wearing my, skin tight Dainese jacket. If you do have a skin tight jacket, you might feel uncomfortable in it. So wear something slightly larger like this. I do have another Dainese jacket. So this is my size 52 Dainese jacket. This is more of my relaxed fit. So let's put this one on. Oh, still pretty tight, even if it's a relaxed fit jacket, but definitely not as bad as the other one. You can kind of see it too, like the stretch marks here and there. And like this, you can definitely see the hump in the back. I think it's the hump in the back that really increases the girth of your chest, so that you do have to go up a little bit to account for the increase of the circumference of your entire upper torso. From now on, whenever I'm wearing the airbag, I will go up to the 52. Like, it is a lot more comfortable like this. Wearing my size 50 jacket, can you do it? Yes. It's just gonna be really uncomfortable for you. Go up one size, get a relaxed fit or something. Because if you wear skin tight jackets like me, it's gonna be a little bit risk. I'm gonna check back in after a few rides and let you know whether the fit gets a little bit better after a few rides. But as for now, you can definitely feel the compression. When the YouTubers say that, oh, this feels so light, or this feels so light, you forget that you're wearing it. You definitely don't forget that you're wearing this, because it feels like you're wearing compression tights. And lastly, let's just say if you're a squid and you don't want to wear a motorcycle jacket, it's kind of cold, you just want to put on like a regular coat, a regular jacket, goes right under it. In fact, I think this is the loosest fit. No one's gonna know you have an airbag under this, so it's pretty cool. And also, the reason why I wouldn't wear the size 50 Dainese jacket over this is because there's just no space, no room for the airbag to expand. And that's not gonna be good if it's trying to expand and your entire jacket is already skin tight. But overall, when I'm not wearing a jacket, this feels pretty darn good. This feels really light. The arms don't feel restrictive. You do hear the rubber inside, I guess the bladder in there, kind of making that plasticky sound, but everything else feels really comfortable. Only thing that I would recommend is think about your jackets, which jackets you have, and whether if they're really tight fit, because you might need to get additional jackets to accommodate wearing this. My Dainese size 50 is already obsolete because I don't think I can fit this airbag system under it. It's really uncomfortable and probably not going to inflate properly. So I'm going to have to go up to size 52. But the good thing for me is I have two different sizes that I switch depending on what kind of fit I want. So for a lot of other people, if you just have one set of jacket, then it probably will not work out well for you. But then, like what some of the YouTubers say, like, hey, if you just have this jacket on, that's probably more than enough. So just throw over a hoodie and you should probably be fine. Cool, thanks, and I'll see you guys on the next one.